video, I showed you that I had sold or traded the Trail Manor. Still kind of sad about it, but I really just didn't have a choice with my back. But this is what I've got now. I don't know, it went really fast. I'm shocked. But anyway, this is a 2005 high-low tow light. It has, it's a pop-up, and this has a button that you push that makes it go up, and it also has a slide out, and there's a button for that too, so I don't have to do much work, which is going to save my back. Anyway, so here's the grand tour. Of course, there's the door, and I don't have that window open over there, but anyway, I could open it. These are really nice shades. This is the dinette area. It makes into a, I believe he said, a queen bed, and surrounded with windows. And I'm struggling. I don't know. They said that they stored stuff up there, which I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I haven't had long enough to think about it. The one thing I'm debating on is if I want to keep this a bed and put like a privacy curtain or something over it, and then in this thing, which is the slide out, I'm debating if I want to keep this one a bed, tear this jackknife couch out, and put a table and a small couple of chairs, or redo this completely into a bed and keep this as the dinette. My goal is to not have to put up a bed and tear down a bed every time I go somewhere, you know, stopping and going. I don't always want to be messing with putting a bed together, tearing a bed apart. So that's why I was thinking if I make this a dinette area and keep that a bed, then there's nothing I have to do. If I make this into a bed and leave that as the dinette, then I always have to close this up. Yeah, I'd have to close this up to go anywhere and open it when I get somewhere so that I can sleep. I don't know. I probably will put up the wallpaper that I had in the Trail Manor. I'll probably put that up. See where they've got the wood paper there? I'll probably replace that with mine. It had a little more color to it. Anyway, so here is the kitchen area. It's got cabinets above that I don't have to take down. They're permanent. And then it's got cabinets below. And then, of course, I think there's the cabinets above the pop-out area. And then there's a microwave in here. I guess you just take it out and put it on the counter. I don't know. But plenty of cabinet space. Lots of cabinet space. And the double sink. And then it's got a 3-burner stove. I can get that up there. And an oven. Yeah. Drawers, which is nice. Let me open this up. And then it's got a cabinet in the cupboard that's right next to this huge Dometic refrigerator. It's got a good sized freezer. The door doesn't stay up. Yeah, not bad. Lots of cabinet space. I was really surprised. And they've used, when they build these things, they use like real wood. I mean, it's heavy, thick stuff. Anyway, and then the more counter up here. It's got, of course, you know, this all slides down into this hole. And I'll probably replace this with my other wall covering that I had in the Trail Manor. And then it's got the subway tiles over the kitchen area. And then in the bathroom, got a fairly big cupboard right here. And then in this one, it goes pretty deep. I don't know if you can see in there. But then, if I get this stuff off here, I'll show you. This opens up, and it's got a clothes hanger. You can hang your clothes up in there. Yeah. Not too bad. Gonna need some work, though. No, maybe it just sits like that. Anyway, bathroom sink, toilet, and I have found out last night, or yesterday I was checking things out. Something's going to have to be done with this because it has a horrible, horrible leak back there. When the water's turned on, it just goes everywhere. It's got a whole width of the bathroom shower that I don't have. It's not a bathtub. It's a shower, which is fine with me. And it's got the skylight above it. It's got a electric fan vent above that, which is nice. Little counter space above the shower area. And then it's got like a bifold door here. I'm probably going to remove that and never use it and just put some sort of a slider curtain up for the bathroom. Just like my Trail Manor when I first got it, there's no air conditioning. So this unit came with the RV, and the trouble I'm having with it, and if anybody knows anything about those, it's an LG air conditioner, portable. The trouble I'm having with it is it'll run for about 5 or 10 minutes, and it was a dragonfly flew in. It runs for about 5 or 10 minutes, and it's back. And then it shuts off. Well, the compressor part of it, like, it bogs down, and then it kind of goes back up again, but then it doesn't blow out cold air anymore. It's hot air, or room temperature air. So, and if I turn it off and let it sit for a few minutes and plug it back in, then it pushes out cold air. So I have a feeling that this vent up here, that one right there, is going to be removed, and I will have an air conditioner put in on the roof. I'm just not going to deal with it. And that thing takes up quite a bit of room. I don't know where I'd put it other than sliding it back and forth out of the way. And with my back issues, I don't want to be moving anything heavy, or I don't want to do that. I'm not going to do that kind of stuff. Anyway, so that's it. Oh, and there's also a vent over the stove. It has a light in the vent. The floors, I'll probably leave the way they are for the time being. I do have extra flooring from when I had redone the floors in my house. So I may measure that and see if I've got enough. So going outside, it does have the French door, the double door, whatever you want to call it, just like the Trail Manor had. Hello, Leo. 2 axles instead of 1. Yay, get to buy more tires. 3 steps to go in. It's got those scissor jacks. I hear you, I just can't see you, kitty. Let's see. It's got the 2 tanks for the propane. It's got like a trailer tray. Yeah. And that's the slide out. Actually, it doesn't slide. It tilts in and tilts out. Well, there's Kitty. Come here, Titio. Hi, honey. And I haven't figured out what this black patch is. It's broken in there. And actually, to be honest with you, it's the first time I've noticed it. I didn't see this when they sold it to me. I don't know what happened. But I'll look at it. It's got a break there too. Dang it. And I looked at this thing pretty close when he brought it. Anyway, that's black and gray sewers. It's got where you put the sewer hose in there. Storage cubby. Definitely going to need a new, that's flat there. What's that called? A spare tire. Anyway, so that is it. So I now have low bug for my, what's it called? So I now have low bug, which is my motorcycle trailer and my bug. And now I have high-low. Anyway, which to me is kind of comical because everybody calls me anti-low. So I've got a high-low and I've got a low bug. Pretty funny. Anyway, I'm going to go make me some coffee. I think it's about 7 in the morning. Come here, Leo. Yeah, about 7 in the morning. Leo, come here. Yeah, he's mad at me. Aren't you? Got fleas and I won't let him in the house. And I ordered flea medicine and whatnot. So you're going to have to wait, Leo. Yeah, that's why that is empty. When the guy left with my trail manor, he had a hard time getting out because of the angle and the turn. My trail manor was and 20 feet long when it was closed up and 27 feet open. This low bug or high-low, whatever it is 24 feet when it's, well, it's 24 feet. So my yard guy, Jeff, is supposed to come over today, and I'm going to have him move everything out there over to the left so that when I pull in with the high-low, I can pull in and swing over to the left, and that'll give me a bigger turning radius. I'm hoping, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to get this video uploaded. I'm going to make me some coffee and listen to poor Leo cry because I won't let him in the house. I'm sorry, honey. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Bye, Leo.